Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize API integration with Postman, complete guide step by step clear. Begin by opening Postman on your computer. Create a new workspace for your project. Click on the New button in the top left corner. Select Workspace from the drop-down menu. Name your workspace according to your project needs. Choose whether to make the workspace personal or team-based. Once your workspace is set, click on the New button again. This time, select API to begin defining your API specification. Fill in the API name and a brief description. Choose the API schema type, such as OpenAPI or GraphQL. After setting up your API, create a new collection for organizing requests. Click on New and then select Collection. Provide a name for your collection and add a description if desired. Now that you have your collection, proceed to add requests. Click on the collection name, then click the Add Request button. Name the request and select the desired HTTP method, like GET or POST. Input the API endpoint URL in the request URL field. If your API requires authentication, navigate to the Authorization tab. Select the appropriate authentication type, such as bearer token. Input your credentials or API keys in the designated fields. Next, add any necessary request headers in the Headers tab. Include key value pairs for headers like content type and accept. Move on to the Body tab if your request requires a body. Choose the correct body type, such as JSON or form data. Fill in the body with the relevant data. Once everything is set, click the Send button to test your request. Monitor the response in the lower section of the Postman interface. Review the status code, response time, and response body for insights. If the response is not as expected, check your request setup for errors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.